have a visitor.
Hello. Hi.
This is Captain Over, Mr. Murdoch, and Mr. Boston. This is Joey Hammond.
Oh, hi, Joey. Come on up here. You can see better.
Joey, we have something here for our special visitors. Would you like to have it?
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Sure. You ever been in a cockpit before?
No, sir, I've never been up in a plane before.
Yep.
Come on, move up here. You can see better. Joey, here's something we give our special visitors. Would you like to have it?
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
You ever been in the cockpit before?
No, sir, I've never been up in a plane before.
Ted!
I came home early and found your note. I guess you meant for me to read it later. Elaine, I've got to talk to you.
I just don't want to go over it anymore.
I know things haven't been right for a long time, but it'll be different. Like it was in the beginning. If you'll just be patient, I can work things out.
I have been patient, and I've tried to help, but you wouldn't even let me do that.
Don't you feel anything for me at all anymore?
It takes so many things to make love last. Most of all, it takes respect. And I can't live with the man I don't respect.
Try it again with me, Ellen. Just try.
I have. I've tried to believe that you'd take hold somewhere. Ted, face it for once. We've been on the run ever since the war. Different cities, different jobs, and all the time you've kept growing further and further away from Joey and me. He's needed you, Ted. I've needed you. But you were never there.
I know things haven't been right for a long time, Ellen. But it'll be different. Like it was in the beginning, remember?
I remember everything. It's all I've ever had to go on. Mostly I remember the nights when we were together. I remember how you used to hold me. And then afterwards how we'd watch until the sun finally came up.
Let me see your tongue.
Yes?
I can't stand it.
What is it?
My stomach. I never felt anything like it before. Help me. Please help me.
Just a moment, I'll get some Dramamine.
Hello?
Mrs. Over?
Yes, this is Mrs. Over.
This is Ed Macias calling from the airport. There's some trouble on your husband's flight. We don't know how serious it is yet, but Steve McCroskey thought you'd want to get down here right away.
Yes, I'll be right down. I've got to go to the airport. You can let yourself out the back door. There's juice in the refrigerator.
Hello?
Mrs. Wilson,
Yes, this is Mrs. Wilson.
this is John Arnold calling from the airport. There's some trouble on your husband's flight. We don't know yet how serious it is, but Harry Ballard thought you'd want it down here right away.
Yes, I'll be there right away.
At 2,000 feet, beginning our descent.
Steve, whatever light you can get poured onto that field.
Being done right now.
Now to all emergency vehicles. Runway is Niner. Airport vehicles take positions 1 and 2. Civilian equipment, number 3. Air Force positions number 4 and 5. All ambulances go to number 3.
Air Israel, please clear the runway.
Nice work. Stryker, we have you on radar now. You're off course 10 miles to the south. Please turn right onto a new heading of 305. Then when you're ready, start losing altitude.